Changing the email link to your PlayStation account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your current email address and password to sign into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Account Management or Profile section, where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select Email Address option. In the account settings, find the option to change your email address. This is usually labeled as email address or change email. Step 4. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve receiving a verification code via your current email or through two-factor authentication. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, enter your new email address. Confirm the new email by entering it a second time, then save the changes to update your account. Make sure to check your new email for a confirmation message from PlayStation. Following these steps will help you successfully change the email link to your account.